हाउ टू क्लियर ग्रुप टू एग्जामिनेशन। एक इजी स्ट्रेटेजी बताऊंगा विच आई फॉलोड एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई क्लियर्ड। देखो हर सब्जेक्ट में देयर आर वॉल्यूम बट the strategy which I'm going to talk today is a strategy to focus on easy chapters with good marks. हर subject में there are some chapters जो कि actually they are very easy and which comprise of good marks. So let's discuss in detail. Let me just share my screen. Okay, so our target is to clear group 2 examination. And if you are targeting to clear group 2 examination with articleship, तो आप लोग फिर आर्टिकलशिप के साथ जो डेली ऑफिस टाइमिंग के अलावा आप लोग जो पढ़ाई करते हैं, आई विल एडवाइज यू कि पहले इन चैप्टर्स पे ध्यान देके इन चैप्टर्स को पहले कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, सो दैट you will secure the passing marks and after that you will focus on the rest of the volume. Okay, so our initial target is, the initial target क्या है? Just to pass. Lot of students are there जो बोलते हैं भाई सिर्फ पास करा दे, बाकी नहीं, हम लोग 201 भी नहीं चाहिए, 202 भी नहीं, बस 200 मार्क्स करा दे। तो इनिशियल टारगेट इज 200, सो विल फोकस फर्स्ट ऑन द 200 एंड देन जिन बच्चों को स्कोर करना है, you have to put some extra effort and you can definitely score. So we will focus on easy chapters with good marks for that. There are easy chapters in each subject. I will repeat this various times so that you will understand. So we will focus on easy chapter with good marks and ये कर लो, पहले क्या कर लो, हर सब्जेक्ट में जो इजी चैप्टर्स हैं एंड दे कंप्राइज गुड मार्क्स, तो पहले इनको फोकस कर लो. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस इच सब्जेक्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट दैट इज एडवांस्ड अकाउंट. It is easy yet complex. Why I'm saying this? Because there are some portions of advanced accounts which are actually very much easy, which we'll discuss in the next slide. And there are some portion like amalgamation, consolidation, जो मुझे complex लगते हैं. I don't know about you, but even there are a lot of friends of mine, they also find it complex. But actually in advanced account अगर आप लोगों का accounts अच्छा है, so you can target 60 plus, because many of the students when they hear about account subject, so their reaction is pretty much like this. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So advanced account में first कौन से portions complete करने हैं? So I will first discuss the easy chapters. So first one is employee stock option plan ESOP, जो कि पेपर में 10 मार्क्स के लिए आते हैं. The weightage is 10 marks. I will discuss weightage also. So ESOP, buyback, liquidation and NBFC. आप लोगों को पता है these are very easy chapters. Like ESOP के hardly there are some problems and they are not tricky ones. Even buyback is manageable, liquidation, NBFC, and you can see the weightage. भाई आपने weightage कहाँ से लाया? Institute की site पे they have mentioned the weightage. So there might be plus minus something, but actually if you will see the past examination patterns, you will find this pattern only. And this अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, बहुत सारे बच्चे अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड को इग्नोर कर देते हैं. प्लीज don't do this mistake, because you can see the weightage of accounting standard. And even past किसी भी एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन पेपर आप लोग देख लीजिए, you will find the questions on AS around 20 to 25 marks question, but students ignore AS part. So please don't do this mistake, because अगर आप लोग लाइफ में AS की वैल्यू नहीं रहेगी, you will lose around 20 marks. And AS is easy portion, it is manageable. So भाई ये इजी चैप्टर्स तो कर लेंगे, तो क्या अमालगमेशन, कंसोलिडेशन ये सब नहीं करना है? नो, प्लीज डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग पहले ये पोर्शन कंप्लीट कर लो, so that you will around secure for around 40 marks. You will secure 30 to 40 marks, you can count the total. And then the tricky ones, this partnership, amalgamation, consolidation, and they are tricky and they are lengthy also. Because अगर आप लोग इन तीन, let's say a students, एक स्टूडेंट है जो 12 से 15 दिन इन 3 चैप्टर्स को कर रहे हैं, पार्टनरशिप, अमालगमेशन, कंसोलिडेशन। एंड उसे कितने मार्क्स मिलेंगे? एक्चुअली आप लोग इस पे यू विल इन्वेस्ट योर टाइम, बट देयर इज नो श्योरिटी के एग्जाम में अगर अमालगमेशन का क्वेश्चन आया सो यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व इट। लेकिन अगर if you will focus on these chapters, that is ESOP, buyback, liquidation, NBFC and accounting standards, so RTP questions, MTP questions and past examination question paper, although module questions वही क्वेश्चन सेम टू सेम, इवन समटाइम्स सिर्फ अमाउंट चेंज होता है एंड पेपर में पेपर में आ जाते हैं। सो इफ यू विल प्रिपेयर दिस चैप्टर्स फर्स्ट, सो आई थिंक यू विल सिक्योर अराउंड 40 to 50 मार्क्स। एंड देन पार्टनरशिप, अमालगमेशन, कंसोलिडेशन तो करके पूरा जाना है, बट आई थिंक यू शुड फोकस फर्स्ट ऑन इजी वंस, देन द ट्रिकी वंस एंड then the internal reconstruction and banking. And I will share this PPT in the description box so that you can download it and prepare accordingly. Now, the nightmare subject, the audit. And actually, this is the situation of many students. मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है because a lot of students fail in group 2 examination just because of audit. So, अब audit में पहले क्या करना है? So these are chapter 1, 2, 7, 8, which comprise of 20 to 25 marks. I think you should, and actually, yeah, these chapters are easy also. So you can target then fraud and company audit. Actually, my pehle company audit, I firstly prepared for company audit because law में and audit में ये chapter same है, and I law actually. So company audit first, I completed company audit, then fraud, then these chapters. So you can prepare accordingly. And even articleship के साथ, let's say office timing के साथ, you are able to take time and you are able to manage 2 to 3 hours. So 2-3 घंटा जो आप ऑफिस के साथ पढ़ाई करेंगे, so these are easy chapters which you can focus. अगर आप लोग ऑडिट की बात करें तो इतने चैप्टर्स पे पहले फोकस कर लीजिए, तो भाई बाकी चैप्टर्स नहीं करना है। आई विल रिपीट इट अगेन, डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, बट पहले ये इतना अच्छे से कर लो, देन स्टडी लीव में you can target the rest of the syllabus. Now EISSM the roller coaster, but I think you can target 50 plus because as you know SM is good for scoring, but EIS a lot of students find it difficult because it is a bit technical and yes theory to hai hi. So now what to do first? EISSM में I will advise you first complete strategic management, that's it. 50 मार्क्स का strategic management and आप लोगों को भी पता है this is easy portion, strategic management and easily recall हो जाता है. Actual में module question and RTP question same to same you will find in the question paper. So please पहले SM कर लो, then EIS का you can chapter 2 then chapter 5 you can focus on that. भाई आप लोग सोचेंगे ये स्लाइड शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया, सो एक्चुअली बिकॉज यू हैव टू फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट. ओके, नाउ द एफएम इको द फेवरेट वन, इसमें यू कैन टारगेट 60 प्लस इवन 70 प्लस बिकॉज एफएम इको इज इजी एंड actually I also scored exemption in FM Eco because I found FM very easy. Even the practical part of Eco is easy and theory में बहुत सारे students mistake कर देते हैं, फिर theory manage नहीं होता है. Okay, we'll discuss in next slide. So what to do first? First I will say about financial management, the easy chapters of financial management. So the first one is leverage, then cost of capital, capital structure, ratio analysis and dividend decision. ये सारे chapters actual में they are very easy ones और आप लोगों को पता है ये tackle हो जाएगा and after that you can focus on the rest of the syllabus. And eco के जो practical questions है, national income calculation, M1 M2 calculation etc, you have to focus. मतलब इको में I think 10 to 15 marks के practical questions आते हैं, so please don't ignore it. अगर आप लोग इको के 10 to 15 marks का portion and then if FM का 60 marks, so आपके 70 marks तो इधर ही हो जाते हैं. बाकी फिर जो इको का theory portion है, if you want I can make a separate video on that. And अगर आप लोग इतना कर ले तो I guess 35 to 45 marks you'll secure. Now it's time for some pro tips which I think you should follow. So what is the first one? The module questions. Please ये गलती मत करना module questions ignore करने, because first attempt में I've done this mistake and I couldn't clear group 2 examination. So that's why please focus on module questions. Module questions से same to same questions आ जाते हैं पेपर में. So ये गलती मत करना कि module questions ना किए. Then RTP questions. I think you should target the past 3 RTPs at least you have to complete. Then MCQ booklet. Those students who don't know about this, ICI has issued MCQ booklet for the MCQ portion of EISSM and audit, and group 1 में income tax and law के लिए. So MCQ booklet you can download from the ICI website. If you want I can give the link in description. So MCQ booklet में there are a lot of MCQs for practice, and I would advise try to complete the booklet. Although I was unable to complete it, I completed I guess half of the booklet, but I found same to same MCQ questions in the MCQ exam. So I think you have to complete MCQ booklet. Then the most important mock test. You have to give at least one mock test before appearing for the ICI examination, because बहुत सारे students mistake करते हैं कि mock test नहीं देते हैं and directly they sit for the ICI examination. Then बहुत सारे problems होते हैं, they are unable to manage the time, how to write paper, and after all the preparation they end up getting not they end up क्या बोलेंगे, they couldn't complete their paper. So that's why अगर आप लोग एक mock test पहले दे देते तो आप लोगों को पोजीशन पता चल जाएगी कि अभी आप लोग किस लेवल पर हो, so that you will be fully prepared for the ICI exams. Okay, I think I've discussed about group 2, so I think you should first follow भाई ये easy chapter तो target कर लो पहले. I think around 180 to 200 marks you'll easily secure. Then go for the advanced portion. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.